Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enhance the video quality in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. First, go to Effects Library and scroll down to open the FX. Then search for Sharpen. Drag and drop it to your video clip. Now go to Inspector panel. Click on the effects to modify the sharp amount to 1.85 for crisper image. Then refine the details. Under the detail levels, adjust the following settings. The fine detail is 0.75, the medium detail is 1.1, and the large detail is 1.1 also. This enhances the clarity while keeping a natural look. And that's it. Your footage is now sharper and more detailed. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips. Thanks for watching.